I'm Matt Swartz, Senior Editor with Expedition Portal and Overland Journal, and today I'm here in northern Arizona with an incredible off-road van build from Portland-based van upfitter Zenvanz. So on the outside of this vehicle, we have a ton of equipment for off-road and overland travel. Everything from a worn winch to Factor 55 hardware, Baja Designs and Diode Dynamics lighting, agile off-road armor, BFG tires. This vehicle really leaves nothing to be desired for off-road performance in a camper van. Well, now we're here inside this beautiful camper van build from Zenvanz, and as you can see, this is what sets this vehicle apart from many of the others on the market. It's characterized by beautiful bamboo cabinetry with aluminum accents, high-end appliances, controls at your fingertips, a perpendicular bed, storage. It really has everything you could possibly want for going off-grid and having a great time in the outdoors. So starting on the driver's side of the galley, we've got this Vitrifrigo refrigerator. It's a drawer-style refrigerator. Makes getting to the things in the back of your fridge nice and easy. And down below, there's a freezer. We also have a lagoon table in the corner, which can be used with the front swivel seats. And then we've got a Thetford cassette toilet down here underneath the kitchen. There's also a nice deep sink. We've got a pull-out faucet, and we've got these clever little removable spice rack containers, which can be shifted around on this divider as much as you like. So here we are inside, and on the passenger side of the galley, we've got a 2-burner induction cooktop. We've got a Panasonic microwave and 4-way oven, plenty of storage space, built-in cutting boards. You name it, we've got it. There's even a hidden storage space for your chef's knife when you need to prepare a meal. So in the back of the vehicle, we have a flare space mattress, perpendicular bed, allows slightly taller folks to sleep in this van thanks to the flare space pop-outs. And up on the wall here, we've got our systems controls. So we've got an S-Pod lighting controller, we have heat, hot water control, Victron energy systems monitor, AC inverter, on-off switching control. Everything you want is right here, and you can pretty easily reach it from the bed, which is a really convenient way to set things up in here. One last detail of the galley that I really appreciate is this exterior fold-down table that has a chessboard right on top.